you that sentence is सीमा को कोई विश्वास नहीं था या कभी भी सीमा को कभी भी विश्वास नहीं था कि वो एक अच्छी स्टूडेंट है या नहीं।
Done, ma'am.
Shima had no idea whether she was a good student or not. That's correct sentence. But you tell me, what is the English meaning of Vishwas? That one you tell me. I gave you two words, two vocabularies of that words. You tell me what is the first one is belief and next one is notion. Did you remind that?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how did you forget, my dear?
Sorry.
Shima had no notion or Shima had no belief that she was a good student or not. That should be the exact translations. Okay, my dears?
Okay.
उसके पास, you write down, उसके पास कोई बहाना नहीं था कि वो ये किताब पढ़े या नहीं। प्लीज डिड यू राइट? उसके पास कोई बहाना ही नहीं था कि वो ये किताब पढ़े या नहीं।
उसके पास कोई बहाना नहीं था कि वो ये किताब पढ़े या नहीं। She had no excuse if she was read this book or not.
Karan, tell me. She had no excuse if she read the book or not. That is the answer.
Okay.
She had no excuse if she read the book or not. Read. It is not read. It is the past tense. Past tense.
Read.
Yes, it is read. Yes.
Ma'am, but I don't hear the but I don't hear the
Vinod,
sentence.
please let him know.
क्या मैम? उसके पास कोई बहाना नहीं था कि वो ये किताब पढ़े या नहीं।
के पास कोई बहाना नहीं था कि वो किताब पढ़े या नहीं।
Wow, very good. You understood the trick of this sentence. Very good, very good. ही नहीं है, परेशान होने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। और मतलब ही नहीं है, just underline this one and that is the grammar structure. What will be the translations of this sentence? Please let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, please write down. It's simply makes no sense. Makes no sense. S-E-N-S-E. Makes no sense to get upset. And makes no sense, underline please. And that is the grammar structure. मतलब नहीं है, कोई मतलब नहीं है, मतलब makes no sense. परेशान होने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. It simply makes no sense to get upset. Are you writing? Did you write?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So what is your question, Vinod? Tell me. Makes no sense. It is a grammar structure. मतलब कोई मतलब नहीं है. This is the Hindi grammar structure. So makes no sense means कोई मतलब नहीं है. परेशान होने का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
But simply मैम.
Simply मतलब simply is just परेशान होने का कोई मतलब simply मतलब just simply. It is means इतना क्यों परेशान होते हो? सिंपल बात के लिए इतना परेशान होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. That's the thing. बिना मतलब के दौड़ कर थकना या थकने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. It simply makes no sense to run and get tired without any meaning. बिना मतलब. Without any meaning.
And without any matter.
Yes, without any matter also you can write. No problem.
To run and get tired without any reason.
Yes, it is also correct. You can write. No problem. उसके साथ बात करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है।
उसके साथ बात करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। It make no sense to talk him.
विनोद, टेल मी।
मैम only one minute. It's no sense to talk with her.
It simply makes no sense to talk with him or to talk with her. Please write down. It simply makes no sense to talk with her or him. Okay?
I was right, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Tick your answer. If you are correct, then please tick your answer. That will strengthen your mind. Clear हो जाए एक तरफ से। नहीं तो अगर मैं ही बनाऊंगी, अगर ट्रांसलेट आप करोगे तो कुछ ऐसा लगेगा मुझे जैसे you didn't understand a bit. So you get the 10 on 10 marks, please. And you can get it.
It simply make no sense to pack your bag.
Okay.
It simply make no sense that I pack your bag.
तुम्हारा बैग पैक करने से मेरा कोई मतलब नहीं है। It simply make no sense to pack your bag for me. For me. FOR, for.
Okay, ma'am.
I think it simply makes no sense to pack your bag. That is also an answer. बिना पढ़े पास होने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। Okay.
It simply makes no sense to get passed without study. It is impossible.
सेंटेंस तो अच्छा है, सेंटेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर जैसा है वो ही सेंटेंस है, पर इसमें थोड़ा मतलब क्या मसाला लग गया है। बिना पढ़े पास करने का कोई मतलब है। अगर कोई पास करता है तो क्या मतलब पढ़ाई करने से? पास से मतलब है ना, पास करने से मतलब है ना।
We can understand he cheated.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि वो चीट करके ही पास हुआ। ऐसा बिना पढ़े भी कुछ स्टूडेंट हैं, बहुत सारे दुनिया में बहुत ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो बिना पढ़ते 1 घंटा है पर स्कोर 100 में 99% ला लेते हैं। ऐसे भी हैं। या
They study something, ma'am.
They study, what are the things they are study, I don't know, but some scholars are there, very brilliant students are there, they don't study. Some students will be seeing they are studying 23 hours and they are getting good marks, highest marks, and some students you will see that they are getting just 2 hours they are studying and getting the highest marks in the exam. So that doesn't mean that whether they are study or not. It's there, I think there's potentiality of thinking, maybe it is working. So बिना पढ़े मतलब पास करने का कोई मतलब नहीं. This is sentence also, but it is entertaining also. You are entertaining the sentence also. That is also good. Very good. All of you read please one by one. Read very slowly. Read very slowly.
फर्स्ट चीज मैम, आज आप सुधार के लिए प्रयास कर सकते हैं. You could be taking to improve.
प्रयास कर सकते हैं and could be taking is the structure. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Second is मैम, हम सफलता के लिए प्रयास कर सकते हैं. We could be taking to get success. थर्ड इज मैम, उसे कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि वो उदास है कि खुश है. He had no idea if they were happy or gloomy. मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि वो यहाँ है कि वहाँ है. I had no idea if he was here or there. उसे कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि मैं आऊँगा या नहीं. He had no idea if I would come or not. सीमा को कभी भी विश्वास नहीं था कि वो एक अच्छी छात्रा है या नहीं. सीमा had no notion if she was a good student or not. उसके पास कोई बहाना नहीं था कि वो ये किताब पढ़े नहीं. She had no excuse.
पढ़े या नहीं, या पढ़े या नहीं?
या मैम पढ़े या नहीं?
Yes.
पढ़े या नहीं मैम, आई रूल से। She had no excuse if she read the book or not.
If she read
the book or not. परेशान होने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, मतलब ही नहीं है ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर में। It simply makes no sense to get upset. Makes no sense is ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर। बिना मतलब के दौड़कर थकने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। It simply makes no sense to run, get tired without any reason.
To run and get tired.
To run and get tired without any reason.
Yes.
उसके साथ बात करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। It simply makes no sense to talk with her.
Okay. Up to this much it is done. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the thing. You have to understand all these things. Sometimes we should go beyond the grammar structure. I have got the attitude of everything. The attitude is everything, that book, and there I have got the grammar structures. So you can also, if you are reading any book, then also you can do it. And tomorrow maybe I will be giving you very easy vocabulary so that we are using daily, but we are not following them. But we can replace the daily words, and we can use the words so that it can be authentic for us in our communication. That one we shall be doing. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you, dear. Thank you and good night.